We're in front of Dubai's iconic tower. This is Burj Khalifa. I think this is tallest also in Dubai. Very nice. Very nice location. Yan. There's an area doon na maraming mga tao. This one is more private, no? To have a better view of Burj Khalifa. Yeah. This area. Daming MR towers here. No? Doon din MR din, no? What is an MR? Emirates? No? Puro. And that one is akit kami dyan, no? Mamaya, naka-schedule mga 7 PM. So more than an hour from now. So we're taking a better view or better location of the Burj Khalifa, no? Tower. Sokal Al Bahar. This is a hotel. This is better na location, no? If you want better view of Burj Khalifa. Ito naka-cover sila. Better view. Okay.